Hi, this is Kayla Murphy from the Fabric Garden in Madison, Maine and fabricgarden.com. We're back from Maine Quilts, and I wanted to take a minute and share some of the most popular things that all the quilters liked. First up is the misting bottle. If you use Best Press or a starch alternative on your fabrics for pressing, this now does a nice even mist on your fabric so it sprays more evenly, and it's really nice. $12.99. We also have, people love all the new cork products. This has been around for a little bit, but now it's all printed cork, easy to sew, great for wallets and bags. We also have, if you've done the jelly roll, which I'm going to show you a little later in my presentation, we also have the jelly roll sasher. If you're feeding your jelly roll pieces in with the batting into your material, you used to have to finger press and turn as you feed it into the machine. This is a little piece that just slides it in, so it does the pressing for you. That's the jelly roll sasher. Some of our new projects that have been very popular. This is called Echo. It's a digital panel from Hoffman. We do have the kit, and it's been very, very well received, and that's called Echo. Second one, cute as a button, is what's called, that's the kit for Echo. These are online. This is called Welcome. Very cute for any little camp or your cottage. It's a McKenna Ryan's project of the cute little bears. One of our most popular rulers we were working with was the spider web ruler. It's a new one from Creative Grids, does many different patterns, but we loved the new Hoffman fabrics in the gray, red, and silvers, and this was made with the spider web ruler right in here, and it's called the Kaleidoscope pattern, and that's a Creative Grids product. All our notions, patterns, zippers, and threads are 20% off every day in store. And we talked about the jelly rolls. Another word for jelly rolls is the jingle pops. Hoffman makes these. These are the metallic strips, 2.5-inch strips, 40 strips in the pack. This wonderful tree quilt is a free pattern when you purchase one of the jelly pops, and really came out quite nice. It's all metallic with reds, greens, and silvers. We had talked about the jelly rolls. You've probably seen the jelly roll rug. It's been around for a while. I have a really nice video online of how to do this. Well, this is a brand new pattern, and it's called the Jingle Pop Tree Skirt. So you can put this right around your Christmas tree, and it came out really quite nicely. It's done in the same theory, and this one was made with the gold Jingle Pops, all 40 strips like that. And that's a new pattern, simply tree skirt. I hope you enjoyed. Please come visit us in store or online. We'd love to see you. Thanks.